Learn English to Gujarati formal connectors, with regard to and.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
Welcome, brave language detective. Hey, you're about to learn some seriously useful formal phrases in English and Gujarati, and yes, we will keep it fun so your brain does not file a complaint. Let us turn office language into something you can actually enjoy. Today you will meet 8 powerful connectors, with regard to, in relation to, in the context of, within the framework of, on the basis of, in the course of, in favor of, and at the expense of. In Gujarati, you will hear and repeat.
ના સંદર્ભમાં, ના સંબંધમાં, ના સંદર્ભમાં, ના માળખામાં, ના આધારે, દરમિયાન, ના પક્ષમાં,
And.
ના ભોગે.
If these sound formal, good. You are leveling up. Your mission today. You do not need to memorize everything at once. Just listen, laugh a little, and repeat the phrases out loud. Phrase 1. With regard to equals.
ના સંદર્ભમાં,
Phrase 2. In relation to equals.
ના સંબંધમાં,
Phrase 3. In the context of equals.
ના સંદર્ભમાં,
Phrase 4. Within the framework of equals.
ના માળખામાં,
Phrase 5. On the basis of equals.
ના આધારે,
Phrase 6. In the course of equals.
દરમિયાન,
Phrase 7. In favor of equals.
ના પક્ષમાં,
Phrase 8. At the expense of equals.
ના ભોગે.
A suspiciously formal office story. Now imagine you work in the world's most dramatic office, where even the coffee machine speaks like a lawyer. Ready? On Monday morning, the manager stood up and said, with regard to the budget, we need more data. In Gujarati, that is.
બજેટના સંદર્ભમાં અમને વધુ માહિતી જોઈએ.
Then the assistant replied, in relation to the new project, we also need better planning, or.
નવા પ્રોજેક્ટના સંબંધમાં અમને વધુ સારી યોજના જોઈએ.
The intern, who had slept for approximately 4 minutes, whispered, in the context of this disaster, may I suggest snacks? That becomes.
આ પરિસ્થિતિના સંદર્ભમાં શું હું નાસ્તાની સલાહ આપી શકું?
Nobody said no, because even formal meetings fear hungry people. The frame, the basis, and the endless meeting. These next phrases are perfect when you want to sound organized, logical, and mildly terrifying in meetings. Within the framework of the agreement becomes.
કરારના માળખામાં,
Imagine everything neatly trapped inside a giant golden frame. Very elegant, slightly scary. Example. The workshop was organized within the framework of the festival. In Gujarati.
કાર્યશાળા ઉત્સવના માળખામાં આયોજિત કરવામાં આવી હતી.
On the basis of becomes.
ના આધારે,
This is your evidence phrase. Example. They decided on the basis of the data. In Gujarati.
તેઓએ ડેટાના આધારે નિર્ણય કર્યો.
In the course of becomes.
દરમિયાન,
It means during a period of time. Example. In the course of the meeting, we changed the plan. In Gujarati.
સભા દરમિયાન અમે યોજના બદલી.
So yes, in the course of the meeting, the framework changed on the basis of the data. This is either excellent management or a very polished panic. Taking sides without throwing chairs. Now let us learn how to support something politely and how to describe unfair trade-offs without sounding like a cartoon villain. In favor of becomes.
ના પક્ષમાં,
Example. She argued in favor of the new law. In Gujarati.
તેણીએ નવા કાયદાના પક્ષમાં દલીલ કરી.
At the expense of becomes.
ના ભોગે.
Example. He saved time at the expense of quality. In Gujarati.
તેણે ગુણવત્તાના ભોગે સમય બચાવ્યો.
So if your boss says, we are in favor of faster work, ask one gentle question, hopefully not.
ગુણવત્તાના ભોગે.
Right? Congratulations, you now sound intelligent and slightly dangerous. Mini dialogue practice. Say the Gujarati phrases after each English line. Go on, your walls are very supportive. With regard to your question, the answer is yes.
તમારા પ્રશ્નના સંદર્ભમાં જવાબ હા છે.
We are writing in relation to your application.
અમે તમારી અરજીના સંબંધમાં લખી રહ્યા છીએ.
Understand this word in the context of the sentence.
આ શબ્દને વાક્યના સંદર્ભમાં સમજો.
This was done within the framework of the agreement.
આ કરારના માળખામાં કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું.
We chose this plan on the basis of cost.
અમે આ યોજના ખર્ચના આધારે પસંદ કરી.
Many things happened in the course of the year.
વર્ષ દરમિયાન ઘણી વસ્તુઓ થઈ.
Many voters are in favor of change.
ઘણા મતદાતાઓ બદલાવના પક્ષમાં છે.
Nothing should happen at the expense of health.
આરોગ્યના ભોગે કંઈ પણ ન થવું જોઈએ.
Quick memory tricks. Here are a few fast memory hooks, because your brain likes shortcuts almost as much as your phone battery likes disappearing.
સંદર્ભ
Means context, so.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
Helps you remember with regard to or in the context of.
સંબંધ
Means relation, so.
ના સંબંધમાં.
Is in relation to.
માળખું
Means structure or framework, so.
ના માળખામાં.
Is within the framework of.
આધારે
Sounds like a base or foundation, so.
ના આધારે.
Is on the basis of.
દરમિયાન
Is your during word.
પક્ષ
Is side, so.
ના પક્ષમાં.
Is on someone's side or in favor of.
ભોગે
Carries the idea of cost or sacrifice, so.
ના ભોગે.
Means at the expense of. Tiny quiz, big confidence. Let us see what stuck. No stress. If you miss one, just repeat it like a dramatic actor in a courtroom. How do you say, with regard to, in Gujarati?
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
How do you say, in relation to?
ના સંબંધમાં.
How do you say, within the framework of?
ના માળખામાં.
How do you say, on the basis of?
ના આધારે.
How do you say, during, or, in the course of?
દરમિયાન.
How do you say, in favor of?
ના પક્ષમાં.
How do you say, at the expense of?
ના ભોગે.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You handled formal connectors like a pro, and possibly like the most charming person in a meeting room. Today you practiced with regard to, in relation to, in the context of, within the framework of, on the basis of, in the course of, in favor of, and at the expense of. In Gujarati, you used
ના સંદર્ભમાં. ના સંબંધમાં. ના માળખામાં. ના આધારે. દરમિયાન. ના પક્ષમાં.
and.
ના ભોગે.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases out loud, and soon formal Gujarati will sound much more natural to you.